So friend, this is my Blue Sky channel and I'm today discuss in Calendar Manager. So what is a Calendar Manager? Last video I'm already create watch my previous color management by using color management systems, and this is a today Calendar Manager. So what is a Calendar Manager? And I will discuss in this video. So my all of a video part wise, and you must watch part wise my video because you cannot directly watch my video because sometimes you are not understand. You must watch one by one part of my video. So this is a very important for you, and sometimes not understand without directly. So first, this is my all of a control panel. I'm recover and I'm just showing you what is the control panel and all of my settings in detail. I will discuss with you local computer. So you must know about what is the control panel, how can we using future services settings and other very important tools here. So this is a control panel series, and I'm just showing in this my video Calendar Manager. So Calendar Manager is one type of technology of in my you can see this just my systems in my computer. So Calendar Manager you can see just in this my video, just as you can see this is a very Windows important control panel series here. Okay, so this is a system and a system. How can we change here? How can we start here? So Windows, all of our settings, all of our computer same here. These Windows XP, Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 8.1, Windows 10. Sometimes 95% completely same. These my control panel and all of control panel options here, because this is very important for Windows operating systems here. And maybe you have not showing a flash player, Realtek HD audio manager. So sometime 95% completely these options available in your control panel, and use this control panel system. So let's start what is the calendar manager and how can we manage it. So why using this calendar manager? So friends, what is a calendar manager? So you first understand network. So old company office network, how these work here. So one may work your employee in your company, and second employee other department employee your company. So calendar management, before you understand, first understand network. So one employee file of a department, just like sale department, and these files send not directly. One middleman come, just like peon, your office boy. So this is a receive a file and send other employee. So that means your share and send receive one type of middleman. And this reason old generation time office work and network very waste time here, and sometimes not perfectly fast work in the waste time. That means your company and need peon and employee here. So time lost and department time late and late delivery file. So one department to another department, and one branch to another main branch of sending a file and receive file. So your middleman need a vehicle and other source through send file, receive file, share file here. So this is a old company network is using this type of method here, and this reason data safe medium type, not more. But computer technology net coming here, and that time computer network, how can we start here? So let's understand. You can see just lot of company using a lot of in your network in environment, lot of your computer, and communication with central device of your switch network. And this is a data is strong because password and secure by server. So user ID and password you need because your network in already connect your computer and joined already server, and not need your third party third person. That means your PU not need your office boy. And second is save your and fast your work your work here. So that is a start here current time management work here. So username and password you must enter here, but username password again to again you are enter and login here. So user ID password you are enter and ask your other person you are login network. So I will discuss in username password how can we in username password I will discuss in this video. So your data, all of the data different type of save in your the client, and all of data copy in your server. So again you login other your computer username password. So current time management coming here. And what is the current time management? Why using this current time manager? So current time manager a contact central devices and both areas both sides. Save your username password, not need again username password. So you again to again you ask your your password. So that means your very long of distant time, very lost time and disturbance here. So don't ask again for password because you one time of your store current time management these settings in username password. So that means you save time, save fast network and internet and mail and other internet service. You can directly access username password. You can store in your. So current time management automatically save in your username password only two tab systems here. So first web creator here you can see web creator save applications and password. So web creator only these Windows 8, Windows 8.1, not in Windows 7 available Windows creator. And this is only using of internet. And second is a window creator is a local network creator here. So local network is only internal network and for company. So this is a using first web creator using internet. Without internet and you cannot using here. So application username password you want here. But window creator and local network need you want to file for meeting and meeting file your presentation file, you some document important. So you can directly connect your system here and the other opposite your computer opposite person password not need directly you share already share and center. So minimum requirement is two system here with server and turn on computer same network here and permission. And risk is other department user lock on unnecessary files and file sometime delete. So that means you first permission and center means systems here. So without your requirement without your systems so this is all of setting by your network administrator network server engineer. So this is a very important and you can use without server current time manager. So I will using in this my video two type of my computer. First Windows 7 and second is Windows 10, and I will connect in both computer with other computer, and I will show you how can we using a current time management or why using a current time management. So I'm already talk about now these current time management. Store your user ID and password, not need again password ask about where your password, what is the password, so you opposite your computer share your data in your computer. So that means you can access your system and access directly your file. Okay, so that is a file folder anything you using opposite create main person. So not need ask again to again password and username. So let's start here. So you can see here my computer in my Windows 10 here, and my second my Windows 7. So first you select and first configuration, first step is my network. So you can see this my network, Ethernet 1, Ethernet 2 here. So this is a very important for my computer and my computer systems here. So Ethernet 1 and Ethernet 2 here. So this is a adapter settings here. Okay, so change adapter, you can change here, and you are connect your computer in this tab here, and you can see here. So computer RJ45 cable here, connect in your computer and switch with connect, and you select here this on, turn on these systems here. Okay, and turn on these settings here in private network. Okay, so turn on and turn on these completely these features here. Okay, and turn on these three network available, but this is a private engaged and only thing. So you can see I'm just second this my network. Okay, so first of we are using network communication. So network communication in my completely showing this my network here. So you can see just my computer, and this is my third all network. So this is a guest or a public, you can see just my computer here. So this is my computer systems, and you can see just on this feature. Okay, on this feature. Okay, turn on. So maybe in case you are not turn on, so turn on these two feature, and third is this all network. So turn on here. Okay, and this turn on, that means your share your file, share your folders, and showing this is the main of systems here. So this is a very important for your computer and your computer systems here. And you can see this password and username. So save changes, click on, and I'm already save this settings here because I'm just showing you. So this same configuration I will configure in my second computer here. So this is my my computer account here. You can see my Sky name here, and PC name PC1. So you can see here nothing I'm already connected in my computer, and I'm connect my computer second here. Okay, this tab here. So RJ45 cable in enter your computer, and second RJ45 connect with your other computer. So you can see just here my second computer here, and my Windows 7. You can see just here, and second computer I'm only connect with my these systems here. Okay, so how can we start here? So same configuration and same network configuration. You can see just network here. So that means you can see this my network in already in same network I'm configured already in my computer. Okay, you can see here. So you are using you want to know about Screen Time Manager. How can we using Screen Time Manager? So this is a very important. Screen Time Manager working with network only. This is network options here. So you can see I'm create my network, simple network here. Okay, two computer with my network. So connect your computer in your computer, other computer. Okay, so what is the network, what is the, how can we create, how many type of devices, network device, turn off all of your. So this is a media file and systems, and you can see just here. So I will discuss in home group, and this is how can we using a system, but maybe I'll start this. Okay, but you must turn on private network, all network, and public network turn on all of first, because I will discuss in the network settings center all of these settings. Okay, why using these settings, why using these systems, and why using this type network here. So you can see here computer not directly and 7 changes. Okay, computer not directly using this type system, and you are connected, so this time showing a network here. Okay, and this my showing this type of network here, and nothing give me cross line, and you can see yellow tab here. I'm not connected with my internet, so this is the internet already disconnect. Not need internet for this Internet Manager. So this is my network completely. So next video I will show you how can we using Internet Manager, and next part. So thanks for watching my video.